Good morning, everyone. So, because of lockdown, we are going to start our syllabus of 9th standard, and I am going to start algebra first lesson, that is set. Okay, students, be ready and carefully listen, as well as you can read also. Okay, students. Now, what is set? The question again. All of you know that the group means what? Information, a collection of data is called as a group. Okay, a bunch of flower, is it? A group of people. So many examples, you know that. Now the differentiate between this group and set is what? A set is a well defined. Okay, it should be a well defined collection of object. It's called as a set. If you are observing this, see, a well defined collection of object is called as a set. And when you are denoting this set, you have to use the capital letter. Always remember that set are always denoted by the capital letter. And the element of set, element means what? The object. For example, also I will explain you by the example. Now just remember, the element of set is denoted by the capital letter, and the element of an object or the member of an object are element or member are the same only. Elements or member of the objects are denoted by the small letter. Okay, they are denoted by the small letter. Means the element, for example, of vowels in English. So how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so this A, E, I, O, U, these are the 5 member or 5 element of that set. Which set? A set A. For example, let A be the set of vowels of English letter. Then A is a name. It is given to that set, and A, E, I, O, U are the element or member of that set. Okay, so every object in the set are the element of that set. Now the element of that set are denoted by the small letter. Always remember that. Name is denoted by capital and elements are denoted by small letter. If A is the element of it, for example, how to write it and how this symbol is used? It is called as belongs to also. Listen student, if A is the element of set A, then it is written as A belongs to A. Don't confuse. A belongs to I am using. Or you can read as A is the element of A. It means by the, at the time of reading you can use A belongs to A also, or it means that A is the element of A. A is the element of set A. If it is not element, means there is no any element in the set. Now example, I just explain you vowels. Okay, now in vowels A, I, O, U, all these 5 letters are the element of vowel set. If I am saying Z, then Z is belongs to vowel set? No, because Z is not a vowel. Okay, now listen. If A is not the element of set A, then how to write it? It is written by A is not belongs to set A. And it is read as A is not the element of set A, or A is not the member of set A. Okay students, means element or member means any object from the set. You can say the element or you can say the member of that set. Now by example it will clear more. Now listen, one example I am taking you. A is a set. Always remember that when you are writing the element of set, it is written in the curly braces. When you are writing the element of set, it is written in the curly braces, denoted by the comma. That is also very important note. When you are writing the set, it is denoted by the capital letter. It is elements are written in the curly braces, and they are separated by a comma. Now listen, A, how many elements are there? A is a set of 3, 5, 7, 11. These 4 elements are there. Okay, means what you can say? Now listen, just I explain you. 3 is a member of A. Yes, we can write 3 belongs to A. We can read it, 3 belongs to set A, or 3 belongs to A. Now 4 is not the member of A. 4 is there in this set? No, there is no 4 number in this set. So how to read and how to write it? 4 is not a member of A, as well as 4 is not belongs to A. This is a symbol used for not belongs to. Okay, and 11. Now 11 is a set. Yes, 11 is the element of set A, and therefore we can write 11 is an element of set A, and it is written as 11 belongs to A. Okay students, understood? What is the important? A set is a well defined collection of object. It is denoted by the capital letter. The element of set are denoted by the small letter. The element of sets are enclosed in a curly braces, and they are separated by commas. So these are the important thing. And how to write the member and element of set, that also I explain you by using this belongs to sign. It is right. Even it is not compulsory that you have to say the belongs to. You can say that 3 is the element of set A, or 3 is the member of set A. In this way also you can read it. Understood? Again, second example I will take, same here. Consider the A is a set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These 5 elements are in the set A. Now listen. 1 is in set A? Yes. So we can use this symbol. Okay, a small symbol it is. Okay, like a E, but not exactly equal to capital E. So it is A. 1 belongs to A, because 1 is element of set A. 4 is element of set A? No. 4 is not belongs to set A. 11 is in the set A? No. 11 is also not belongs to set A. So 3 is in the set A? Yes, 3 is belongs to in set A. So by using this symbol, you can denote the element of set is there or not. Okay student. So this is the introduction. How to write the set. What is set and how to write it. How to denote it. Okay students. Now the representation of set or method of writing the set. There are the two methods to write the set. Okay. First one is a listing method or roster method, you can say. Listing method or roster method. Listing method means what? The names only, the meaning of that method is in their name only. Why? Listing. List means what? Something is list there. Okay. For example, just a even number. If I am saying the number from 1 to 10, write the even number. Which are the even number then? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. But when they are 1 up to 10, then we can include the 10. Okay. Now, so in the listing method, whatever the objects are in that set, we have to mention all the object by using this method. Means every object we are writing by separating the comma. Now listen. In this method, all elements are enclosed within the curly braces. How many number of elements are present in this method? We have to write that element with enclosed within a curly bracket separated by comma. Okay. Now the order of the element is immaterial. Immaterial one is what? Means you can change the order. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, you can write 4, 3, 1, 2 also. Okay. It is not compulsory in the sequence you have to write. But you have to write the every element. Every element you have to write. Now, an element, even if repeated, it is listed one. For sometimes what happen, 1, 1, 2, 2, this number will repeat. But it is not compulsory to write both, means that much time. You have to write only one. In the list, you have to write that number at a 1. For example, if I am saying a set of element with a word, we can say with which word? A set of element which having a letter in the word complement. In the complement, E comes 2 times. So at that times you have to skip the E, one E. Just one time only you have to write it. Okay students. Now again so many example I will conduct. So don't worry. Just remember it should be written enclosed by the curly braces. The elements are separated by the commas. The order of element is immaterial, and the element even if repeated, no need to write it repeat. Write at once. These are the 4 rules are there to write the listing method. Now for example A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is the way to write the listing method. Second is C 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, here curly braces is not printed. So here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. It is missing here. Always remember that it should enclose by the curly braces. If you are writing in this way, it will be a wrong. This is the wrong way. It should enclose by the curly braces. Okay, this is called as a listing method. Now student, all of you know very well some set of a number. Now listen, here 5 set of different number I am going to explain you. Means when the natural number set is asked, compulsory to use the capital N. Compulsory to use the capital N. N, because you can't use here A is equal to A is the natural number set. The set of natural number is denoted by N. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. It is infinite. It is a infinite. So we can't, listen, here we can't write every element. Why? Because the set is infinite. Similar way, whole number. All of you know that whole number means starting from the 0. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. So the whole number set is denoted by W. Again I am repeating. Natural number set is denoted by capital N. Whole number set is denoted by W. Set of integer. Integers means positive as well as negative including 0. Positive number, negative number including 0. Means see here 0 I wrote here middle. This side 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, and this side -1, -2, -3 up to infinity. And the set of integer is denoted by capital letter I. It is denoted by capital letter I. Now Q is the set of rational number that we can't represent. Why beta? Because rational numbers are the number which are integer as well as fraction. Fraction and integer, so many means infinite numbers are there. So only remember it that this rational number set is denoted by Q. Listen, when you are whatever the elements you are writing in the set, it always depends on the specific condition. Whatever the conditions are given. Now natural number, you can't write here the -1, -2. Okay, natural means all positive and which is starting from 1. 0 is not a natural number. Okay students, so set of natural number denoted by N, set of whole number denoted by W, set of integer denoted by I, set of rational number denoted by Q, and the set of real number is denoted by R. Real number are rational as well as irrational number. What is mean by this real number? Real number are rational as well as irrational number. Both number set including the real number. Irrational, all of you know that is integer and fraction, and the irrational number are the number which are in the form of √2, √5. So these are the irrational number. Okay students, so this set is set of real number is denoted by capital letter R. Now the second method, that is a set builder method or rule method. I'll remember these. Students, remember, rostered method is also called as listing method. Sometimes in a question, in an exam, will ask only write from example of rostered method. Don't be confused. Roster means and listing have the same. Only both the name is for the same method. And similar set builder method or rule method. This is also same. The set builder method or rule method. This is also same. Now listen beta. In this method, the elements are not listed. Here, no any element is listed like a listing method. In the listing method, elements are listed. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. But in the rule method, the elements are not listed. It having some specific format. It having some specific format. Now that also I will explain you by comparatively. By comparatively. Now student listen. The element of the set are described by the specific property which determine the element of set uniquely. Okay, it specify the property to determine the element of set. For many set, it may not be possible to represent in the listing method or roster form. For example, just a set of natural number. Is it possible every element to mention in the set? No. So at that time, we can use this rule method also. Now see some example. There is what I am saying. There is no any element we have to represented by the rule method. We are not representing every element from the set. We are just specifying the property. We are just specifying the property. Then how to specify? A specific format is also there, students. Now listen here. Let A be the set of natural number less than or equal to 10. What is the condition? See, what is the specific condition? What is the specific property here? A is the number. A is the set. Name of the set is A. And the element of set specify the property. Element of the set specify the property. Which property is specifying? Set of natural number less than or equal to 10. Set of natural number less than or equal to 10. Mean this listing method. See. Less than or equal to 10. How many natural numbers are there? 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3. Because what is the specification condition here? Less than or equal to. If only asking less than, then 10 we can't add it. Okay. Here they are asking less than or equal to 10. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are total 10. These are the element. But this is the listing method. Then the question arises how to represent it in the rule method. So in the rule method, we are using this for symbol. Sorry students, here it is some printing mistake. Now listen, this is the excuse me, sorry students. This standing line is in between the 2x. So just remember this standing line is in between the 2x. X. This standing line belongs to the vertical line. This line is belongs to the this line standing line is belongs to the structure that. Okay, how to write in the listing form? This standing line is between the both x. X is a set. X is a set of X is element of set A. X is element of set A in such a way that, remember again I am writing the same listing method example I wrote here by the rule method, but how to read the question arise. The X is an element of set A in such a way that X is a natural number less than equal to 10. X is a natural number less than equal to 10. So in this method, in this way we are writing the rule method set. It is also enclosed by the comma, but elements are not mentioned here. What is the difference? In the listing method, elements are mentioned, and in the rule method, just what mentioned here? In the rule method, it is specific condition, specific property is mentioned that X is an element which are having a natural number less than equal to 10. Same for the next example. See the set B. Let set B the set of all the vowels in English alphabets. Set of all the vowels in English alphabets. So listing method, what is the A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, U. Okay. But in the rule method, this standing line, sorry, beta, This standing line is in between these two x. So x is a set, x is element of set B. X is an element of set B in such a way that x is a vowel in English alphabet. This is a specific condition you have to mention in the rule method. So the standing line stand for the such that. The standing line is stand for such that. Okay, students. Now next, so these are the only. Now just today what we learn. We learn what is set, how to denote the set, how to denote the element of set, which are the type of set. So which are the type of set? There are two types. First is a listing method and second one is a rule method. Okay, so these are again some example for the more understanding. See here, firstly I will explain you about the roster method or listing method. Means a set of even number. Now listen, even number I am saying. So maybe they are positive, maybe they are negative. Okay, so 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, minus 4, minus 6, all these are the even number. Set of even prime number. Prime, there is only one number with the condition is what? Number from 1 to 15. So 2 is only the element of that set. Set of negative integer, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So these are the negative integer. This is a set. Now 7 basic sound of the Saregamapo. Saregamapadha ni. These are the basic sound. 7. Okay, so it is denoted by T. Listen, every set I denoted by the capital letter. Every element is separated by the comma and it is enclosed in a curly braces. So this is the listing method format. Now some example by the rule method. This is also listing method only. All the month in the every, listen, all the month so all the month in the Indian solar is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the 12 months. Now later in the word, now see here, COMPLEMENT. This E, I no need to write repeat. If you are writing then also no problem, but at a time, at a once time you if you are writing at a once time, then also it will correct. Now set of the human sensory organ, nose, tongue, skin, ear and eyes, and set of the prime number from 1 to 20. So these are the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 39, 17, 19. These are the prime number. So these all examples are the listing method. Okay, so more example of rule method and listing method tomorrow again I will repeat it, I will explain it. Okay, but so every point, every example you have to note in your notebook. Thank you.